Alright, let's talk about that sweet spot where raw, unadulterated precision meets a reliability that's been proven time and time again. That, my friends, is the realm of the bolt-action rifle. Whether you're carefully glassing a distant ridgeline for that trophy buck or meticulously punching tight groups on paper at the 100-yard line, this classic platform has more than earned its stripes among seasoned marksmen for well over 100 years. Now, while these rifles were originally forged with battlefield toughness in mind, bolt-actions have long since become absolute mainstays in the world of big-game hunting and those highly competitive long-range shooting matches. So, when it comes to next-level, hair-splitting accuracy, which models truly stand out from the pack? We've put together a list of what we consider the absolute finest bolt-action rifles you can get your hands on today. Browning X-Bolt Pro. If you're chasing after that almost unbelievable pinpoint precision straight off the factory floor, the Browning X-Bolt Pro is a dead serious contender that absolutely deserves a prime spot in your gun safe. Engineered for the hardcore backcountry hunter and the dedicated long-range enthusiast alike, this bolt-action powerhouse delivers custom-tier performance without that eye-watering custom price tag. Browning's second-generation carbon fiber stock shaves off precious ounces while still offering rock-solid stability and genuinely comfortable ergonomics, even after a full day humping it through the mountains. Built around a stainless steel heart and coated in a rugged Cerakote finish, this rifle is built to laugh in the face of whatever nasty weather Mother Nature decides to throw your way. Whether you're lining up a shot on an elk at 500 yards or meticulously working tight groups from a precarious mountain saddle, the X-Bolt Pro brings the looks, the feel, and the long-range performance you'd rightfully expect from a high-end precision rig, and it does it all straight out of the box. Those of you who genuinely appreciate the beauty of blued steel, rich walnut, and pure mechanical elegance, the CZ557 Sporter is a rifle that speaks your language fluently. Machined from a solid billet of steel, the action features built-in 19mm dovetail rails milled directly into the top, making scope mounting absolutely rock-solid without needing any additional bases. The action itself is driven by a short extractor paired with a plunger-style ejector, delivering buttery smooth cycling and snappy, utterly reliable ejection, even when you're running that bolt hard for rapid follow-up shots. A two-position safety lets you quietly work the bolt while the rifle is still unsafe, giving you that crucial element of stealth in the field when it matters most. One of the real standout features here, in my opinion, is the fully adjustable trigger. This allows you to fine-tune the pull weight, the take-up, and the over-travel to perfectly match your exact shooting preferences. Wrapped in beautifully figured American walnut and paired with CZ's legendary cold hammer-forged and factory-lapped barrel, this rifle doesn't just look like a classic, it performs like a precision-tuned instrument. Whether you're glassing for mule deer at the crack of dawn or simply want a rifle that'll draw admiring glances at the range, the CZ557 Sporter is built to be passed down, and implicitly trusted, for generations to come. Weatherby Vanguard. If you're just stepping into the wide world of bolt-action rifles or looking to expand your existing lineup with a new caliber, the Weatherby Vanguard absolutely deserves a hard, serious look. Known far and wide across the shooting community for consistently delivering top-tier accuracy at a price point that won't make your wallet scream for mercy, this rifle sets an incredibly high bar in both sheer performance and overall craftsmanship. Every single Vanguard leaves the factory with a sub-minute of angle guarantee. That's right, it's engineered from the get-go to group under 1 inch at 100 yards with Weatherby factory ammunition or other high-grade factory loads. At its core is a precision 2-stage trigger, match quality and factory set, but it's user-adjustable all the way down to a crisp 2.5 pounds for clean, utterly predictable brakes. Cold hammer-forged barrels provide the kind of tack-driving precision you'd normally expect from a rifle costing twice as much. The bolt body itself is thoughtfully designed with 3 gas relief ports, a crucial safety feature that vents high-pressure gases laterally in the rare and unfortunate event of a ruptured case. Longitudinal flutes cut down on weight and reduce surface contact, giving the action a slick, smooth cycling motion without any annoying hang-ups. The 3-position safety is another standout feature. You can work the bolt and unload the rifle while still keeping the safety fully engaged, a real confidence booster when you're out in the field. And when it comes to stock design, Weatherby's classic raised comb Monte Carlo layout offers a rock-solid cheek weld, snag-free shouldering, and dead-on eye-to-optic alignment every single time. Combine that with an ergonomic wrist, a slim profile forearm, and a one-piece trigger guard with a hinged floor plate, and you've got a rifle that's just as intuitive and comfortable to use as it is good-looking. Whichever model of Vanguard you ultimately choose, you're holding a rifle built on a rich heritage of precision and unwavering reliability, the kind you can confidently bet an entire hunting season on. Ruger Precision Rifle and Amp. American Predator. If you're plugged into the long-range shooting scene at all, you've undoubtedly heard the considerable buzz surrounding the Ruger Precision Rifle and the Ruger American Predator, and now, both are available chambered in the rapidly ascending 6mm Creedmoor. These two platforms bring very different flavors to the table, but both are meticulously tuned for serious, downrange performance. Let's kick things off with the Ruger Precision Rifle. Built from the ground up specifically for distance shooting, this bolt-action beast ships with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a purpose-built, long-range rig. It features a 24-inch cold hammer-forged barrel with 5R rifling, a factory-mounted muzzle brake to effectively tame recoil, and a key-mod-compatible full-length handguard for securely mounting your optics and other essential gear. The folding, fully adjustable buttstock mirrors the ergonomics of an AR-15, making it an absolute breeze to dial in your perfect fit and shoulder position. Toss in a pair of 10-round polymer magazines, and you're pretty much range-ready straight from the box. On the other end of the spectrum, the Ruger American Predator is the minimalist's dream come true. It sports a slightly heavier barrel than your average hunting rifle and comes threaded right from the factory, perfect for adding a suppressor or your favorite muzzle brake. It's lightweight, utterly reliable, and deadly accurate, making it an ideal choice for varmint duty or a no-frills, highly effective range day. Now, why the 6mm Creedmoor, you ask? This round is essentially the natural evolution of the venerable .243 Winchester, offering flatter trajectories, significantly reduced recoil compared to the popular 6.5 Creedmoor, and better barrel life to boot. Shooters transitioning from traditional hunting cartridges will find they can stay locked on target and spot their own impacts without needing a spotter, thanks to how remarkably gentle this round handles. Whether you're building out a dedicated long-range setup with a precision rifle or you want a rugged, surprisingly affordable tack driver in the American Predator, Ruger's enthusiastic embrace of the 6mm Creedmoor is a clear nod to what's next in the ever-evolving world of precision shooting. Franchi Momentum. The Franchi Momentum is far more than just another bolt-action rifle. It's a bold statement in how form and function can work together in absolutely perfect harmony. Drawing from decades of rich experience in gunmaking, Franchi has designed a hunting platform that genuinely feels like a natural extension of your own body. Every single curve, contour, and checkered surface is meticulously sculpted with real-world shooting positions in mind. 5 of them, to be exact, delivering rock-solid grip and exceptional control whether you're prone in the field or hunkered down in a blind. This rifle's ergonomics aren't just for show, either. Its spiral-fluted bolt glides with a silky, precise feel and features a 60-degree throw. This means bolt manipulation is fast, low-profile, and incredibly intuitive, perfect when you need to cycle quickly for that crucial follow-up shot. At the very heart of its accuracy is a free-floating barrel paired with a crisp single-stage trigger that adjusts from 2 to 4 pounds, giving you complete and utter control over your shot break. But Franchi didn't just stop at accuracy and control. They wisely added a TSA, that's twin shock absorber, recoil pad to effectively tame the kick and keep you on target shot after shot, making those long, grueling days in the field far more forgiving on your shoulder. From its sleek, flowing lines to its modern yet undeniably classic styling, the Momentum delivers a truly refined shooting experience that beautifully blends old-world craftsmanship with contemporary shooter expectations. If you're after a rifle that looks sharp, feels just right in your hands, and performs like a precision-engineered tool in the field, the Franchi Momentum unequivocally earns its name. Savage Precision Series. Savage Arms has once again raised the bar significantly with their all-new Precision Series, a formidable trio of rifles designed in tight, close collaboration with MDT, the true innovators behind some of the most respected and sought-after competition chassis systems in the entire game. This isn't just another product line, it's a complete precision shooting ecosystem designed for serious marksmen and dedicated competitors who rightfully expect nothing short of excellence the very moment they crack open the box. Leading this impressive charge is the Savage 110 Elite Precision. Outfitted with MDT's flagship adjustable core competition chassis, this rifle brings production-class firepower squarely into the realm of truly elite performance. From the fully adjustable length of pull and cheek riser, to the integrated ARCA rail system, this platform is purpose-built from the ground up for PRS and NRL shooters who absolutely need their rifle to do exactly what they demand, every single time, without fail. Completing this exceptional lineup are the rimfire standouts, the A22 Precision and the B22 Precision. Both feature refined bolt and semi-auto actions housed inside MDT's precision-milled chassis. They deliver the kind of out-of-the-box accuracy and thoughtful ergonomics typically reserved for custom shop builds, all at a price point that makes it easy to train hard, compete seriously, or just completely dominate your local range. Whether you're slinging 6.5 Creedmoor rounds at a mile or meticulously stacking 22 long rifle bullets at 50 yards, this family of rifles hits all the critical marks. They are competition grade, highly modular, exceptionally accurate, and absolutely ready to go the moment you are. With Savage's precision lineup, there's no warm-up lap required. Just load, lock, and send it.